You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 27 over 28. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 over 4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 9 over negative 7. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 27 over 28.